Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change your email address in your account on Metal TV. So let us guide you through this. So head over to the Metal TV app, click into your profile icon top right, make sure that you're logged in with your account and navigate to profile here. Then guys, what you want to do is you may go through your profile here by clicking into edit profile and change, for example, your username and your profile icon. But to change your email address, you will need to click into your user icon in the top right and navigate to settings. From here, what you want to do is click into my account below user settings, and here change your email address by typing it here. Now I'm logged in with my Google account, so it has been automatically assigned to this email address field here. But if you enter a new email address, it may be necessary that you verify that through one-time verification code sent to you to the associated email address. So this may be necessary too. You can create a password as well here. And once you have changed your email address, click into save to start the verification. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.